Hi, welcome back to my channel Skills Set Go. In this tutorial, we will discuss a solution for the last video's problems. In the last video tutorial, we have seen how to declare a class as a singleton, as we have declared a driver as a singleton so that it will create a same instance every time. But as we are declaring a car component in main activity, we have seen the two problems might come. If you use different components for creating different cars, then the singleton won't work. It will create different instances of a driver. And even though if you use the same car component, and we are declaring in main activity, once the main activity is destroyed and recreated again, that time again the new instances of driver will be created. So the solution for this is we need to declare a car component, or we need to initialize a car component in the application level so that it will be remain as the application level. It won't instantiate a component again. We can use the same component everywhere to create instances of objects. And for this, let's create a application level class. Let's name it example app, and this is a class which extends application in android.app project, and this has unimplemented classes. So we will implement an application, and it has onCreate method which we will override here. Override function onCreate. Let's create a car component here, where car component, and whatever we do to instantiate a car component, the same thing we will do in application class. We will comment this later. Let's create it, and this will return a car component, and let's assign this to this variable. And everywhere we need to use a car component to create instances of classes with using Dagger. Let's have a public class which will return car component. Get car component which will return car component. In this we will just return car component. Here the method name will be conflicted. Let's rename it as car component. So wherever we want a car component, we will use this public method and gets this car component, and we can create instances of objects. In this example, we will create a car object with using that component. And let's remove this instantiation as we have instantiated in the application level. Now let's get a car component. So here, in order to get a car component object from example app, we need to have instantiation of example app. We can get this as like this application. We can cast it as example app so that we can use a method what we have declared in example app to get car component. So this method returns a car component, and this step is same as before, car component, and inject this, and we will create car.start and car1.start. So in previous video we have seen a problem. Whenever we rotate a screen, then this activity will be destroyed and recreated again, and these two cars will have different drivers. So as we have seen, this one is before destroying the activity. So this is one instance of driver. After rotating, it will create new instance. As we have kept our car component is as application level, let's see whether we create a same driver instance or different driver instance when we rotate a screen. So first, as we created example app, in order to run this class, we need to keep in Android manifest XML, we need to declare that example app as Android name. So we have kept example app so that this application will be running. Let's execute and see the output now. Now even though we rotate a screen, it should get a same instance of a driver every time, as the car component is the same instance we are getting every time using example app. We are not instantiating in main activity, so it is not dependent on main activity. So now build is successful, and let's go to the log. Here we have seen a driver BDE. Now if you rotate the screen, the activity will be destroyed and recreated again, and we will get the same logs again. Let's rotate the screen. So here we got FDE instance, and after rotating the screen also we are getting same instance of driver every time. So this is how we will declare and instantiate a component in application level. So example app is application class. In that we will create whatever components the Dagger required to create instance of objects. I hope you understood the concept of singleton and what problems might come if you instantiate a car component in main activity or in any activity. So please share and subscribe my videos to your friends, and thank you for watching.